Welcome to Infocell Software Solution, India's leading financial software developing company. Infocell presently introduced this new sub-brand in the name of Icloud. So this concept is based on auto-updated technology. So we have already a lot of pre-developed products like Icloud Auto Finance, Icloud Gold Finance, Icloud Chit Finance, Icloud Collection, Icloud Nidhi Limited, Icloud Mortgage Finance, Icloud NBFCs and Icloud Microfinance. In this video, we will discuss about the iCloud collection. Let's see what are the benefits while using this software based on our iCloud technology. From this software, we can reduce the manual error mainly and easily organize from anywhere locations, multiple branches the proprietor can easily manage. Staffs can be used by the mobile apps and also the multiple devices. This software has to be accessible. So all the user login is come under only the admin login. In this application, we can manage the multiple levels of sectors, departments, accounts and everything. And also we have to communicate from this technology easily reachable to our clients through the SMS, WhatsApp, voice calls, etc. Majorly, this application is accessible from anywhere, any location, any device. And also we can use this software from multiple devices like laptop, system, tablet, mobile, etc. In this video, let's see how to use this software for daily, weekly, monthly loan creations, how to collect the EMIs and how to close the loans and other reports accounts. Let's visit. This is our iCloud Smart Daily Weekly Collection demo panel. daily.infocell.in is the domain link for our trial panel. So this is the proprietor login. From this proprietor login, admin login, we can connect to the multiple user login and also multiple companies we can maintain from the single software. Let's I open the admin panel. After login the admin panel, there are 4 types of dashboards are given. One is the main dashboard and another 3 is separatedly daily collections dashboard, weekly collection dashboard and monthly collection dashboard. The main dashboard shows cumulative of a total 3 ledgers daily, weekly, monthly. Here the active loans daily, weekly, monthly, the closed loans how much, other loans how much, the principal balance how much, cash in hand for the 3 total loans of values here. So loans against the collections reports, here the graphical chart are given. Here the separated daily collection dashboard, here total loans, total receipts, amount how much we received, total closed loans, pendings, total collections, and here the common search option is available for searching a client data based on a loan number, phone number, area. Here there are 3 options are given. One is the bill report, another one is a smart dashboard, another one is a ledger entry. So bill report in the sense date wise, month wise, we can find out the bills to which customer, which staff had made, and also we can find easily the collection report also. And the smart dashboard is a total dashboards and ledger entry is the making of loan ledger. Likewise, weekly collections also a separated dashboard here. The weekly total loans, weekly total receipts amount, how much we received, weekly closed loans, weekly pending. So likewise the monthly EMI also. Dashboard function shows the shortcut of each and every work like ledger creations, how to check the bill reports and how to find the clients and how to check the total loans value like this. So this separately we can find out the daily collections, weekly collection and monthly collection. In our software, the master page are here. The master page, the basic data need to fit here. So the first one option is the area. So area in the sense we need to enter the areas. What are the areas which we provide the loans under the area? So the main areas here, under the main area, what are the sub areas we need to enter in this field. And then government IDs records, what are the KYCs we collected from the customer, list of KYCs we already, actually this data from our side we provided. So extra if we need to add anything means we can enter manually and click save. Then ledger. So ledger in the sense for basic ledger accounts and details from our side, the data will be feed and our separated accounts, the ledger name should be entered here and selected for the ledger name it's mapping to which accounting part. So if you enter the capital name means we can under the capital account we need to select, and if suppose the bank name means we need to select the bank account. Like this we have to mapping our accounting. After completed the master all the basic data, we directly go to the loan creations. In iCloud concept, we have introduced the 2 kinds of loan creation steps. One is pre-loan process, that is the field verification process, and another one is direct loan creations. Now let's see the pre-loan process, how to provide the loan before a verification process completed through the admin approval and the verification approval. Here the pre-loan process screen create. After create the pre-loan process, here there is three screens are given. First one is customer details, second one is loan details, and third one is nominees, that is a co-obligant or guarantor. Then the customer details, we have a lot of options are given here. So first one is a primary phone number, it is a mandatory one, and second there's a pre-loan account number, separated we maintain an account number. Here the third option is a geocode house, geocode work. The meaning is Google locator code manually saved by the verification officer on spot. After suppose the verification officer has manually saved, means automatically concern code as saved here like this. So it is the purpose we can easily verify from here where is the client place and where client working place. We easily monitor customer name, co-applicant name, father name, mother name, spouse name, address, and there is here we given a lot of alternate phone numbers here and the area's name, and there is a lot of KYC attachment files here given. So primarily we given the Aadhaar number. Other KYC attachment also we can do like PAN number, voter IDs, passport, like this. So here there is a separate choose file attachment options are given here. So we have a lot of features we given in the customer details. So after the filling the customer details in this screen, click the next, the loan page is open. Here the interest part is defaultly come. So if we need a manual means we can customize and given. So here the loan amount, if you put the loan amount like this. So I selected the loan type is daily. So this is I collected, this is the loan requirement collection field. So if I put the loan amount 50,000, automatically the 10% as per the 100 days the pre-interest has detected 5,000, it is automatically it shows the 45,000. So then the loan date is defaultly, if we need it means we can customize, or otherwise the software is manually. So I can put like this. The default due date is the default comes current date. The loan type not only daily, we can also claim weekly and EMI also. EMI in the sense monthly EMI, and 100 days the principal plus interest, how much amount we need to collect per day. So it is automatically calculate and shows the payment mode also cash in account. So net payable. Here there is another option, document charge, remarks. There is a lot of option here enter here. So after completed fulfill this loan page, we click the next. This is the co-applicant name, or which is called as nominee's name. So nominee's name we enter the same like customer details, like nominee's name, father name, address, KYC, other attachment, all the details we need to collect. So here there is given two kinds of nominees. After the loan requirement collected and given the finish, it automatically shifted to verification process or verification field officer user login. So in that particular user login, the verification approval screen is like this. There is an option here. So the collected loan details are automatically shown here. The customer name, areas, user image. There is an option given here, the approved and sent to admin, and rejected and view details, and how much loan we given, which date, how many dues are here, which date, which user login this loan amount, loan requirement has collected. So after the verification field officer completed their work, they have two responsibilities. One is this loan, if it is eligible, means that person has given the approved. So this loan is automatically shifted to the admin user login. If suppose this loan is not eligible, means from the field officer has rejected. If suppose rejected means for which purpose or for what reason they are rejected, the reason must be noted here. So if suppose this loan is eligible, I click the approved sent to admin. There is an option asking or you want to show approved, okay. So automatically that particular loan has shifted to the admin user login approval. After approved from the field verification officer, concerned loan has shifted to the admin approval. So admin persons has once rechecked before they sanction the loan. If suppose this loan is eligible, means once again the admin stops as doing this work, make loan daily. So it is automatically adapted in this direct create loan page. This is one of the way before sanction the loan through the pre-loan process. This functions as given here in our software. And second one, we easily create the loan directly from the entry create loan daily collections. So after click this, the same screen as open here. The phone number, current account number, geocode house, geocode work, and customer name, father name, spouse number, address details, all the details are entered here. And the next click. So same screens are open here. So the functions is same, but the two waves before the pre-loan process sanction and another one is directly create the loan. After created loan, click the view loan option. Date wise, month wise, we can easily find out the document details. So which date to which customer which loan we provided, this loan has created by which staff at which time. So all the details we easily monitor here. So here the options copy, print, CSV is this Excel format we can easily download as it is like a weekly collection ledger. Here the create loan. So the new page is open. Here is the separated account number we have to be maintained in our software. So for the same other rest of the other details are same as it is like a daily collection. So after enter all these customer details, click the next page. In the loan page is a little difference. In the daily collection, here the due days has shown, here the due weeks. There is a small difference. So the loan amount, if I put 50,000, the given amount I put the 45,000. So whatever we given the given amount, as per the given amount, the due weeks as splitted and shows the per week how much we need to collect. So if interest part is manually, we can enter here. If suppose automated means we can customize and given. After given the loan date, due date is manually we set up here. So 27/5/2023 we given. So as per the due week, automatically the principal, interest and the due part is automatically shown. If we put a 10 weeks means it based on the 10 weeks it shows the 5,400. If I put a 12 means as per the 12 is shown changed. 15 weeks means 15,000. So what we given the due week, the concern principal, interest and due amount as shown. The rest of the options are payment mode and a net payable, and here the insurance charge, document charge, broker commission, all the options are given. So if you need it means we activated, so automatically it will waiver from the net payable. So after enter all these loan details, the next page is the co-applicant details. As it is like a daily collection, weekly collection, monthly EMI also the same screen. Here the monthly loan EMI ledger here, create loan. After create this, the same kind of a customer page which shows the different account numbers given here. So after click this, the loan pages are here. The loan pages is same like as per the month, due month. If we given the loan amount at the pre-interest is deducted, how much amount we need to collect for the as per month calculations. So defaultly the software is given as per the daily collection, weekly collection, monthly collection. Presently the loan creation steps as we already done. So now how to create the loan EMI collections, EMI closings, all everything. So here the option common search options given in software. So here the lot of options are given like loan number, customer ID, customer name, mobile number, area, government ID, whatever it is. So if the client has come, whatever the data we put, the concerned data is easily sorted here. If suppose the existing client outstanding data also, we can easily search from this screen. Okay, here there is a lot of option. Any one of the field we can easily filled out here. So I put here the mobile number, search. So after searching, the concerned customer details as shown here, the loan number, customer name, which loan date, loan amount, how much dues, which loan ledger. This is the daily ledger. So if this loan is active, there is a lot of icons are given here. This is the grid view. Here the option is given like which view we want to see. So grid view is the sense this shape, and if I click the list view means list view type, the screen has shown like this. So here the lot of option here. The first one is the receipt EMI. We can take from this, and the second one is if we want to edit the ledger means this option is we have used. So this option is only applicable in this super admin login only, and this is the settlement icon, and this is the full view. Full view in the sense day by day how much amount we have collected, how much amount pending to collected. So all the details. Full view here the option is given. So after searching the client, we directly click the full view option like this. So in this full view options, what we collected the client data, so how much loan we entered, all the details is get together here shown here. The standard chart has shows how much we need to collect every day. The red mark symbol is due date crossed, due pending, and the green mark shows the time is still, and after the paid, it automatically converts as the white. This is color identification for our verification. Now we make the EMI receipt here. Here the option. So per day 100 rupees we need to collect. So automatically it shows. So there is a lot of pending here. So here you click the save and print, automatically the cash receipt will appears. So this is all based on our customized. So if I refresh this chart, automatically the concern 100 rupees due as automatically entered here. If suppose if I collected the dues as shows here the 100 rupees per day. If suppose if I put the partial due, automatically the due received is 50 rupees. At that particular due date, the balance 50 rupees is automatically created one empty column. Up to the final end of part, the due as automatically taken. So the concern receipt, scroll down here, the concern receipt entry, which staff, which date has made. So we can easily monitor here. If suppose the staff has made any mistakes, if we need to cancel the bills, if we click this cancel, the bill is approved only in the super admin log. Here the weekly collections details is already taken. So here the after filter the client data, if suppose the same client as also, we can easily filter the particular loan is running in under the weekly collection or monthly collection or daily collection. Now I selected this loan weekly collection. Here the full view chart here. So weekly full view chart is as it is same like a daily chart. Daily chart is 100 days. We have standardly shown here. Here the weekly chart means how many weeks we given in the loan ledger. If you suppose the 10 week means 10 week, it is statically it is shown here. So to 2023 means the second week is 27, third week is 3-4. So automatically updated here. As it is same like a daily collection, we also collected the weekly collection also. Weekly collection per week 1000 rupees we have to be collected. So here the pending 10 weeks are here. So automatically the software shows the 10 dues are pending. So 10 dues amount is the 10,000. Suppose the client has given only the 2 dues only, means the concern amount we collected, and click the save and print. If suppose refresh the page, means the collected amount has automatically updated here. If suppose we collected the partial due amount from the client, we enter here like this 500. Suppose enter means save and print. How the software shows, refresh the page. So for that particular third week of due, 1000 rupees we need to collect, but we received only the 500. So it is automatically balance due amount is automatically separated column as created. So the software is automatically carry over every due up to the end. We scroll this chart, concern receipt entry details are shown here, which time, which staff had made this bill. The same chart function as given for daily collection, weekly collection, monthly EMI, and from the chart we easily enter the EMI receipt entry and loan closing entry, everything. From this search screen, individual clients receipt entry we easily to make while putting this any data. If suppose we need to make a bulk receipt, here the option quick bill. Here, so in this option, the center wise we easily take the receipt entry like this. If I select the center name and search, the concern center collection customer details are given here. So this is the daily collection, weekly, whatever it is. The automatically the bulk of data is automatically shown here. From this we easily give the save and print. So bulk receipt making screens are given here. Now let's see which customer is not properly make EMI long time pending cases. So the pending cases, if we want to see, means here the separated option model are given here. The pending list is a pending list we easily monitor separately from daily, weekly, monthly. So here we click the pending list daily. Here the multiple search screen is front end we given. So here the date wise, pending due wise, amount wise, however we want to search the data, we put the separated data we easily monitor. So if we click the search totally, the total number of pending list is automatically shown like this. So this is all the daily collection data. So here the loan number, customer name, phone number, how much dues paid, how much dues pending, how much pending amount, total amount, area, next due, which date need to collect. So all the details particularly we given here. The common search given particularly from this common search we easily searching the data. individually. And here the three options are given: copy, print and CSV. You can easily download this data in the Excel format. We manually also we can follow. So here the lot of options given in this field. If we needed any customization, we can separately do. And likewise the daily collection, weekly collection also in the pending list, the same kind of structure we given. So we have easily find out the data from pending list like daily, weekly, monthly separately. Document wise, whatever pending we did, so all the pending cases we easily monitor from this model. And next one, the report section. So here there is a lot of report section given here. So there is a group wise report is if we need to searching the data area wise, we easily monitor from here. And next one is loan list, daily, loan list, weekly, loan list, monthly. So separately we easily monitor the loan list also. Here the date wise, date filter options given from date January. If I selected the first one, which date to which date, if we want to see means from that separately how much loans are given, how many loans, whether it is active or closed, all the details we easily see shows here. If we want to download the Excel format also, we can give the option here. So there is a three types of loan list screen given: loan list, reports, and then bill report. Every day bill report is very important to monitor for admin level. So whatever it is we collected from the collection app, the collection staff entered in the collection app, whether it is a daily collection or weekly collection, it is automatically updated in this report. We can easily find out the collection entry also, collection, how much collection we are today has done. So from this report we can easily monitor for staff wise and date wise. We can easily go through that. If suppose the collection staff or admin staff, if any bill has made wrongly, the concerned bill as cancelled option is working under only the super admin login only. The staff login, this option is not working. So rest of the bill report login histories. So this software is which staff which time as login, the concern IP address also tracking and show here. Here the finance and collection report given, and the document charges given, document charges reports, the balance reports, the principal report. There's a customer wise list of reports are given here. So how much paid principal, how much received we give received principal, and how much balance we need to collect. This is the outstanding principal. This value is automatically shown in balance sheet. So not only principal balance, the interest balance. Separately we have easily monitor the EMI balance, weekly balance. So there is a lot of report sections are given here. So in our software, accounting part is pakka tally type of software. So crystal clear result we will give. So in the day book, the accounts part, in the automatically the day book shows the daily basis transactions. If we selected a day wise, if suppose today date how much transaction, if you need to monitor, if you need to check it, means just open the day book and select it from date to due date, the concern opening balance, the receipt entry, payment entry, automatically it has shown the closing balance also. Here the balance sheet is given here. So whatever this capital account shows, and the current asset, cash in and banking account, all the details are updated like a tally type of software. So this is the profit and loss. So how much we enter the loan, how much we enter the EMI receipts, how much we collected the document charge, whatever it is, we give the input, it is automatically calculated and shows our PL balance, PL account. So and then if suppose voucher entry we need to create, it means here the options entry, voucher, create. In this voucher page is look like a tally type. For our finance sectors majorly used only the two vouchers. One is the payment voucher and another one is the receipt voucher. So payment voucher, for which purpose we have expenses outside. So I selected here the EB will, and the payment mode is cash account. So automatically debit as shown. So 1500, suppose I enter the amount and click the register voucher. So the one payment voucher is automatically registered. And then now I enter the receipt voucher. Receipt voucher is the credit. So if I made any capital account or any deposit, like if suppose the Shankar is a capital shareholder, for example, if I select the cash in account and if I put the value like this. So this is I assume that this is the capital entry. Just now I made it the two receipts, payment voucher and receipt voucher. Now checking the accounts model, day book. So from date to date I selected. So this today date I just entered the two voucher entry. So one is the payment voucher entry, that is the EB bill. It is defaultly debited column, it is updated. And credit voucher, Shankar is this much amount credited, so automatically as updated. So from the credit debit, it is closing balance is shown. So this is the tally type of version is automatically updated. From the collection of what our staff put the entry, it automatically entered and shows up to the PL account also. Next of employee or management. So for every employee, the user login is created under the super admin login only. So here the option is new employee. So click the new employee, the name of the staff code, the personal details, here the option given. So for this, for every particular staff username password we created, and for which privilege the staff has to be worked. For suppose super admin is equal power to the owner. So and the another designation is manager, office, all collection, telecalling. So based on that designations, some permit control screen only enable. Only the super admin user only the authority for all the controls is given, like edit, create, delete, like this. So allowed companies, which suppose single branch is nothing problem. Suppose multiple branches we connected in our software, means which branch that particular user login under we need to create it. And the login history, particularly this user login has used this software from the login time is 9 o'clock. After the login time, logout time is we easily we have the control to set the login time, logout time also for each and every user login. So multiples of user we have created in this screen. In employee management, not only the user login create, here the lot of option given like employee attendance and leave, salary. So properly we have maintained from our software like a payroll type. So and the options, here there is a ledger options. If you want the customer asking any due ledger or due card, we easily promoted from our software due card for both for all the ledgers like a monthly, weekly, daily. And here the settings part, this settings part is previously working under the super admin. We have a SMS setup option also. If I get a SMS API code, consent template has set up here for each and every field. Day closing, send due SMS, account closing. There is a lot of options are given in the options field. This much features contained in this software. If suppose needed any customization, means individually we can do. This software can accessible in anywhere, any device, any location. And also along this package, we provided the admin app and collection app also. This much features contains our Icloud smart daily weekly collection software. Demonstrations or any clarifications need, further contacts admin 99522 92120. Thank you.